target is I can construct explanations of how organelles can contribute to the function of a cell as a system in obtaining nutrients in order to grow, reproduce, and make needed materials and process waste at a conceptual level. So before we go into that, we're going to do a quick formative. It's going to be this or that. So this way, I'll tell you one answer, and then that way, I'll tell you another answer. One of them is the correct answer. So you will choose. I will put the Jeopardy music on, and you guys will decide. So I'm going to need everybody to stand up.
Push in your chair.
Push in your chair. Thank you so much. All righty. So the first question is, capture sunlight for photosynthesis in plant cells. Is this the chloroplast or cytoplasm? It says, capture sunlight for photosynthesis in plant cells. Is it the chloroplast or the cytoplasm? What you decide?
I think it's called.
Alrighty. So, Kimani, you said you think it's cytoplasm? Why do you think it's cytoplasm? So you said it's what again? I can't hear. It's a type of cell? Now, what is the cytoplasm? Do you know what the cytoplasm is? Remember, it's the jelly-like substance that fills the cell, and it helps keep everything in place. Remember, like the paperclip that we had discussed? So it's just like that. But nice try. But the correct answer is chloroplast. Chloroplast. Good, good. Remember, that's what captures the sunlight for photosynthesis and plant cells, and also too, it gives it that green color. So you gotta remember that. All right. So next question is, breaks down waste materials and worn out parts in animal cells. Is this the lysosome or is this the mitochondria? Remember, breaks down waste materials and worn out parts in animal cells. Is it the lysosome or is it the mitochondria? I'm going to give you guys a second. Which one do you think? Breaks down waste materials and worn out parts of animal cells. Is it lysosome or mitochondria? Lysosome, mitochondria. If you guys just said it, you guys know the answer to this. Almost out. So everybody said that it was what? The mitochondria? So what is the mitochondria?
Don't finish now.
So what is the mitochondria? It's all right.
Off the top of my head, I just feel like it was gonna be a good answer.
Me too.
A good answer, but what is the mitochondria do? What is the mitochondria? It's like the powerhouse, right?
I was about to go there.
Right. So the lysosome, remember I told you guys, is that's like, it breaks everything down. All the excess, anything that's unwanted, it breaks it down. So you guys need to remember that because the test is Wednesday, guys. So now you changed it.
No, I was here.
The focuser.
It keeps on pinching me.
Okay. Alright, we'll go in a minute, okay? Alright. Alright, this is the last question, then we'll get into what we're gonna do for today. So this one is gonna be, let's see. It is what regulates, well no, I already did one. A rigid outer layer that provides support and protection. Is that the nucleus right here or the cell wall? I'll give you guys a chance. I'll repeat it again. So it's a rigid outer layer that provides support and protection. Is it the cell wall or the nucleus? Cell wall is the rigid outer layer that provides support and protection. So that's the outer part, you know, the cell membrane. The cell membrane is the part that's on the inside that shows you what lets certain things in or out. So it'll let all the good things in, it'll let all the bad things, it won't let those in at all. It'll keep them out. Okay? Alright, so y'all can have a seat. And y'all open your Chromebooks because now we are going to do a quick, well, not quick, but it's going to be a gizmo.
Are you crying? Me? Oh no.
It's going to be a quick gizmo.
Is the camera on? Yes. Is the camera on?
So, we're going to go to gizmo. So when you go to Gizmos, guys, you guys are gonna go to cell energy cycle. That's what you gotta go click on. Cell energy cycle, just like what is on the board, on the projector. So what I'm gonna do is, who would like to pass out blank papers for me? Canadian. Thank you so much. So Canadian's gonna give you guys a blank paper. I think that's you. Just say that. Alright, so she passes that around. So I need everybody to be on the gizmo. Tony, you on it? You're gonna go to cell energy cycle on the gizmo. You on there? You go to your gizmo, this should be on your landing page. From this one, just go to gizmo. Running on the gizmo. There should be on your landing page. Yep. Good, good. Yeah, it should be on your landing page. It should be on your, well, yeah, that button already. And you're gonna go. Cell energy cycle, guys, is the gizmo. Bless you.
Thank you.
Are
Oh.
you on it? Yep, so you're gonna click on cell energy cycle.
Is this it?
So go to my page, and then go to cell energy cycle. Right there. Good job. Nope, go to my page. And then go to cell energy cycle. You, everybody out there? Oh, so you're gonna go first one together. So what I want you guys to first do is everybody follow it up front.
Yes.
Alright, so you're gonna highlight where it says show input output formula. You're gonna highlight that. Put a check right there.
Wait, what are we doing? Put a check right there.
Put a check right in that box where it says show input output formula. You're gonna put a check right there. So you put a check right there.
Wait, right, like.
Where that box is at the bottom. Let's see.
Thank you.
Put a check.
Did you?
Oh.
Yep. Oh, you gotta look again. Guys, hit launch Gizmo if you haven't launched it already. So yeah. So you get it, then highlight
Okay, now what box do I put?
the show input output. Good, you got it. Good, you got it. So everybody has it. Good, good. Okay, so next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna carry over to H2O. Did everybody drag over to H2O?
Yes.
You drag the
Where do I
H2O,
drag
Tony?
it to? Drag the H2.
Drag the H2O over to the chloroplast. Good, good. Yeah, good. Good job, good job. Just drag it, yep, just drag the H2O, yep. Good job, everybody got it.
You got this right here.
Alright, so the next thing you guys are gonna do, once you've done that, you're gonna drag the CO2. Everybody dragged
Right
the
here.
CO2 over to the chloroplast?
Right here.
Yes, just like that. Good job. So you guys notice at the bottom that you guys are formulating a formula at the bottom. The formula for photosynthesis. So, after you guys do that, you guys see where it says add sunlight?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You're gonna click that. Add light. So what did it do after you added the light?
It like
It did what? What did it do, Mister?
like I added like this started.
Right. So now you guys have the full formula. So what you guys are gonna write on your blank sheet of paper, I'm gonna show you guys. All of this is on your computer. So right here, you're gonna write the description. You're gonna write the input. This is the input right here. H2O plus CO2 is carbon dioxide. You're gonna put the sun right there with the arrow. And then you gotta put your output formula, which is O2 plus C6 plus H12 plus O6. Yes. Yes. Yes.
I'm doing right on the paper.
3. Who all needs a pencil?
Do that on the paper.
Yes. Here you go, mister. Here you go, mister. Here you go, Mr. Tom. Anyone else? So remember guys, you're writing down the description, you're writing down the formula, the output, and the input. So you just write, what you see right there. Were you able to get on? Yes, you gotta write the description, the user energy from sunlight, glucose, and oxygen are produced from carbon dioxide and water. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna write out the input, and you're gonna write out the output formula right there. After y'all finish doing that, you guys are gonna hit the reset button, and then you guys will do the respiration one on your own. You click on the respiration tab next to, and then you guys, you'll write the description, you're gonna write the formula, the whole formula, that whole thing right there in the bottom. And then once you finish, yep, right there at the bottom. Yes, everything. The description, put for the formula and the output. After you're finished doing that one, then you guys are gonna do just. Yeah. There you go. You. Say it right. You'll write that, and then you're gonna write that whole formula right there. So once you guys finish writing that one, you guys will hit reset, and then you guys will click on the respiration tab, and then you'll do the same thing like you did with this one. You'll drag the H2O, and then just write out the formula and the description on the bottom.